Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. Gamestore.lk. Processor: AMD Ryzen 75800H, speed 3.2 GHz, base 4.4 GHz, max 8 cores, 16 threads, 16 MB cache. Display: 15.6 inches FHD, 1920 by 1080 IPS technology, 120 Hz refresh rate, 250 nits brightness, anti-glare. Power adapter 170W slim tip, 3-pin. Free IdeaPad gaming backpack and M100 gaming mouse. Memory and storage: 16GB RAM DDR4-3200, 512GB SSD. Military grade. MIL STD810G qualified design. Qualified for various military specification tests like low and high temp, -25 to 63 degrees Celsius for 4 hours, temp shock, -25 to 63 degrees Celsius one-way temp shock, 122 centimeters plus drop test, vibration, 4-32 Hz over 2 hours. Ports: 3 USB 3.2 General 1 data transfer, headphone, mic combo jack, 3.5 mm, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, RJ45. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 511 AC, 2x2, Bluetooth 5.0. Keyboard: white backlit legendary True Strike keyboard with 100% anti-ghosting, anti-abrasion and soft landing switches, 1.5 mm key travel, large arrow keys, one-piece trackpad. The right keyboard ergonomics and performance can snatch victory away from defeat. The IdeaPad Gaming 3 General 6 keyboard's 1.5 mm full key travel and 100% N-key rollover helps you rack up kills while gaming against the white backlight and optional 4-zone RGB keyboard for full immersion. Camera: HD 720p with e-camera shutter. Physical kill switch for 100% privacy protection, integrated dual-array microphone. Faster, cooler, quieter. The IdeaPad Gaming 3 General 6 runs faster and cooler than previous generations, with a raised thermal ceiling that dissipates 41% more heat, 120W. Its cutting-edge thermals more than double the airflow, with twice as many air outlets and up to 4 heat pipes. Audio: 2x2 WHD stereo speakers, Nahimic audio with surround sound, sound tracker, night mode, sound sharing and content profiles. Battery life: 45 watt-hours up to 4.5 hours, rapid charge, up to 50% in 30 minutes. Ultimate performance, uncompromised battery life. They say you can't have high performance and long battery life on the same laptop. They say that a performance gaming laptop has to be big, bulky, and heavy. They're wrong. Now you can enjoy elite gaming on a thin and light notebook with amazing battery life. Thanks to the new AMD Ryzen 5000H series mobile processors. Never compromise on your gaming laptop again.